Today, I'm taking a deep dive into Salesforce Marketing Cloud, a powerful marketing automation platform designed to help businesses streamline their customer interactions. Whether you're running email campaigns, managing customer journeys, or analyzing marketing data, this tool offers a range of solutions. Let's start by looking at the user interface and overall ease of use. After logging in, you're greeted with a modern and customizable dashboard, providing an overview of ongoing campaigns, customer engagement, and analytics. The layout is well structured, but if you're new to the Salesforce ecosystem, it might feel overwhelming at first. However, with time, navigating through the platform becomes intuitive. The main sections include Email Studio, Journey Builder, Advertising Studio, and Analytics, each catering to specific marketing needs. Email Studio is a core feature, offering robust email marketing capabilities. You can create personalized campaigns using dynamic content, segment your audience based on behavior, and set up automated triggers for engagement. The drag-and-drop email builder is a highlight, allowing marketers to craft professional emails without coding skills. Additionally, A/B testing and detailed performance reports help optimize email effectiveness. Journey Builder is where Salesforce Marketing Cloud truly stands out. This tool enables businesses to design automated customer journeys, ensuring targeted messaging at the right time. You can define customer touchpoints based on interactions, behaviors, or preferences. The visual workflow makes it easy to create and modify sequences, enhancing customer engagement across multiple channels. Advertising Studio is another key feature, integrating digital ads with marketing strategies. It allows seamless connections between Salesforce data and ad platforms like Facebook, Google, and LinkedIn. This means businesses can create personalized ads based on CRM insights, improving targeting and ROI. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Moving on to analytics and reporting, Salesforce Marketing Cloud offers detailed insights into campaign performance. The AI-powered analytics tool, Einstein, provides predictive intelligence, helping marketers make data-driven decisions. You can track key metrics such as open rates, conversions, and customer interactions in real time. However, for beginners, the extensive data options may require some learning. Integrations are another major advantage of this platform. Being part of the Salesforce ecosystem, it connects seamlessly with Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and third-party apps like Google Analytics and Shopify. This integration power makes it a strong choice for businesses looking for a unified marketing and sales solution. Pricing is often a concern for potential users. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is an enterprise-grade solution, meaning it comes at a higher cost compared to other marketing automation tools. Pricing varies based on the specific features and scale of use, so smaller businesses may find it expensive. However, for large enterprises and companies with complex marketing needs, the investment can be worthwhile. In terms of pros, the platform excels in automation, personalization, and integration. It's built for businesses that want a comprehensive, AI-driven marketing solution. However, the cons include a steep learning curve, high pricing, and occasional system complexity. New users may need training or onboarding support to fully utilize its capabilities. So, is Salesforce Marketing Cloud the right tool for you? If you're looking for an all-in-one marketing automation platform with powerful data insights and seamless integrations, it's certainly worth considering. However, if you need a more budget-friendly and simpler solution, you might explore alternatives like HubSpot or MailChimp. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more SaaS reviews and digital marketing insights. Let me know your thoughts on Salesforce Marketing Cloud in the comments below.